Okay, here is the vertical low loss header, low loss header, which is piped out through. There's the returns coming back through the wall from the AHU and the FCU. And the header in turn is going through that strainer here, or these two strainers, to two pumps situated right here, which are then carried on through to your non-return and your isolation valve on each line, and that's the flow going again back through the wall to the AHUs and FCUs. The heating hot water in turn provides heating water for the domestic hot water header, which is here. It's the smaller of the two, and that is basically pumped through that strainer, or from that strainer into the pump here, which is then pumped up to the calorifiers, which are here, a bank of 3 calorifiers. With your flows and returns, which provide secondary heating to the domestic. Here we have the domestic cold water flow into your meter and your regulator, and then piped up to your calorifiers, which are then, although they are secondary heated by the mechanical side of things, the primary heating for the calorifiers then gets put out to the tempering valve and fired out to the rest of the building through there. These are the boilers, the hot water boilers that do the whole lot. So it's a bank of 6 boilers made by hvac, pumping out 550 megajoules of gas consumption per hour. And the gas line, which I'm doing just now, is coming through the wall there and dropping down into the main headers, which is this 80mm copper pipe here, with the branches, 25mm copper branches dropping off of it at each boiler.